Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This week I'm actually showing you how I make my vegan buttermilk pancakes, and I think this is one of the most popular recipes on my Instagram, so yeah, stay tuned, we're gonna jump right in. To make my buttermilk pancakes, I have like a little bit of a hack. I basically use two different size pans. I use like a regular size big non-stick pan, and then I have this tiny pan which I think originally was intended to be something like an egg pan, but I just use it for pancakes and it makes perfectly round and fluffy pancakes. So this is what I'm using, and I first start by greasing both of them and then heat them over medium heat. Then I combine my batter. In a jug I first combine some milk and some apple cider vinegar and set them aside for about 10 minutes and leave it to curdle. This is basically my vegan buttermilk. And then I add all of the wet ingredients to this mix. That's the maple syrup, the vegan yogurt, and I just whisk it all together. In a large bowl, you mix your dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla powder, salt, and cinnamon. And then you combine all of the ingredients together in the large bowl. So you just very slowly add all of the wet ingredients into the dry and let the batter rest for a few minutes once you've mixed it all together. When you then add the mix to the small pan, just make sure that you carefully spoon it in until it's about 1 to 2 centimeters thick. So this really depends on how thick and fluffy you want your buttermilk pancakes to be. I know this egg pan is quite large, so these are going to be like quite big pancakes, of which I will probably only eat 1 or 2 at a time. Don't touch it once it's in the hot pan. Leave it to rest for about 4 to 5 minutes. It kind of just needs to settle, and the bottom of the pancake needs to set for a couple of minutes. You can tell that you're ready to flip when the edges are starting to firm up. When you're flipping, you basically take the small pan and you flip the pancake into the big pan. Be very careful when you do that so that the batter doesn't go everywhere. So it's always better to like wait another minute just to be on the safe side. Flip the pancake into the larger pan and then you just leave it there and just start with the next one. And that way you can make like multiple ones at a time, and it's really nice and easy. The recipe that I'm using here should normally make 2 thick pancakes. For this video I kind of made the double portion because I wanted to make like a really nice stack and also take some lovely pictures for my Instagram of the stack. So this is not 1 portion size that you see here, it's 2. And I mean, if you're very hungry you can probably finish it all at once. I didn't. I just ate this in 2 sittings basically, but they're super delicious and they're really, really fluffy, and I love to make some kind of like, I call it like a protein cream in between. It's basically just yogurt mixed with protein powder, like flavor protein powder, and I like to put that in between my pancakes. You can drizzle over some maple syrup or some melted chocolate, whatever tickles your fancy. But yeah, I hope you really enjoy this basic buttermilk pancake recipe, and don't forget to follow for some more recipe videos, or also just some general videos showing you some behind the scenes of my everyday life as a food photographer. But yeah, you might notice that this video was still filmed in the old flat. Yeah, it's been a while since I've had this sitting around, and I've been meaning to actually edit and get this up for you guys for ages. Some haven't, but yet here we are. I don't know what else to say, so I just hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you get to make some buttermilk pancakes. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Romy London UK. That's pretty much my username everywhere. Don't forget to tag me if you make them, and I hope you have a lovely day. See you in the next video.